Today, we're upgrading the iconic angel eyes on my E90 M3. Starting off with the tools that I'll be using today, some pry tools and this wire that you'll see will come in super handy later on. Our first things first, remove this cover. Remove the old bulb. Rather tight space, so kind of have to figure out your plan of approach. I'm gonna unplug this first. All right, unplug the connector first because that was in my way. With the old bulb removed, we can now install the new one. So here is where it gets a bit tricky. So before plugging it in, let's just put that right there. So the technique is, there are the 3 prongs, but since the bulb is so long, I'm using the old one as an example. You have to drop it in back, have it at an angle, so when it's sitting down there, you can pick it up and slide it in. You'll have to clockwise a little bit so that it'll fit into the slots before you can turn it and secure it in place. So everything's hooked up. Let's show. All right, just installed the angel eyes. Took it to a garage just to kind of showcase how much brighter they are. The flickering is just the camera. There is absolutely no flickering. Pretty busy garage. Let's turn off the headlights. You can kind of see how much brighter they are. So definitely a great cosmetic upgrade. It really kind of pronounces the presence of the car, especially when you see the iconic angel eyes in your rear view. All right, so angel eye install was a success. Just got a few clips of it in the dark since it is daytime. Made it over to this garage. Some backstory on the LUX Angel Eye bulbs. I've actually owned 2 of their previous versions on my E92. I believe the adjustable one was called a V5. I think it was just called LUX H8 V5, and that was adjustable. So I had the adjustable one, and that actually came with the car when I purchased it, because originally I didn't know what was in it. And it's funny because I then purchased the LUX H8 180s, which is the pure white, their best version at that time. Throwing in a voiceover since I got distracted thinking about something during this drive. Regarding the 180 bulbs, so after purchasing those bulbs from my E92 and beginning the install, that's when I had found out that the car was already equipped with LUX V5s. So just kind of wanted to bring up, my past experiences utilizing their older version of their bulbs. And I guess just kind of adding in, the 180s at that time were a lot brighter than the V5s. So then of course I did keep the 180s. I just wanted to add that in there. To conclude, if you are in the market for angel eye bulbs, definitely check out LUX Angel Eyes. You won't be disappointed. I honestly believe their angel eye bulbs provide the best light output compared to any other competitor from what I've seen, and I've never heard or experienced any issues with their products. Once again, using my old E92 as reference, I ran their bulbs for a little over 2 years and a bit over 20,000 miles and never had any issues with dimming, flickering, or any output issues. They performed just as good as they did out of the box. So if you're looking for an OEM plus look, honestly, look no further. Check them out. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave a like and comment below. That being said, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.